Hello, Jessica.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
So obviously we're getting this squared away, huh?
Finally.
You ready?
Yes.
Well, Jessica, I'm really excited to invite Newsday out here to enjoy the airplane ride with the Air National Guard Extra 300L. We're going to take off here from Republic Field and we're going to go out over Long Island and do some loops and rolls. And Jessica, you're going to be upside down seeing what it feels like to be an air show pilot today. So I'm super excited. We got blue skies over Long Island. We're going to go up and have a great ride.
Klatt got to show me what this could do up in the air, and it was pretty amazing. Long Island, if you haven't gone to the air show, you need to go now.